Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique in case you are new here, and today I'm going to show you something that will save you hours from work, right? If you've ever had to make a presentation from scratch, you already know how time consuming it can actually be, from choosing layouts, writing the content, organizing the slides, just all of it. But now, thanks to AI, you could take a simple paragraph or even just a simple outline and turn it into a clean professional presentation in a couple of minutes, literally. Canva has made it so easy for us. And so I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. It's very simple. Again, takes less than a couple of minutes, so let's get into it. Open up your Canva app or the Canva website on your desktop, or even if you're on your phone, right? This is the home page. And at the top, to the right, we want to click on Canva AI. So here is where you can just access all of the Canva AI suite, right? All of the things that you're able to do. So if you want to see some of the cool updates Canva has provided us, and you kind of want a tutorial on them, let me know in the comments. I have no problem doing that. But today I'm gonna show you how to create a presentation in a couple of minutes. So I already have my outline, my hypothetical outline. It's very short, straight to the point, and this outline is just for onboarding new members into the organization, right? Very generic. So what you want to do is just go ahead and paste your outline into the chat, and then down here you want to click on design, and it gives you designing social media posts, presentation, marketing, cards, invitation, logo, what have you. So today we want to design a presentation. We'll go ahead and click on that. Then I'm gonna hit the arrow so it can begin to process. So it takes me to this page next, and it gives me a few style options: minimalist, playful, organic, geometric, modular, elegant, and digital. So I want to say playful. Let's do something playful and hit submit. And let's see what they give us. So then this page pops up where it gives me a few template options. And so the design that I went with was this one. Then it allows you to change the color scheme, and so of course I went with the pink one. So once I select my color scheme, I go to the right hand corner and click on use Canva editor so I can begin to edit my template. All right, y'all, so here is our fully editable design that we just created in Canva AI. And this is really a game changer for everyone, right? Students, nonprofits, businesses, anyone who wants to present information relatively quickly. Instead of starting from, scratch and having blank slides, you're able to start with a finished deck and work your way backwards. And Canva AI really handled a lot of that heavy lifting for us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Even comment down below what you'd like to see next and if this was helpful. But until next time, have a great one, y'all.